In this video, I will tell you that how to set fake GPS location on Android. At first, open Play Store application on your device and search for fake GPS location. And then you will find the sum of application. You have to install fake GPS application. After then, select setting option on your device. Scroll down a bit until you see developer option and click on it. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the developer page. Here you will find the select MOOC location application option and click on it. Now exit with select fake GPS. Next step, open the fake GPS app and select your fake location, and that's it. Now your location has changed. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment below and subscribe to my channel.